let's turn this down.
You didn't want to come in?
Nope. Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelsey. Happy birthday to you.
Ready? We gotta make a wish. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Whoa! What's that? Happy birthday, Kels.
Jeez. Sparkly ones?
Oh, she'll be, see if she's messy or clean like Brady was. What is that?
Oh, is that good stuff? Let me get my camera.
Is that good?
Oh my, it looks good.
Oh, he's like, what is this stuff? 2 hands? she must have put her face in it.
I can't get enough. I can't get enough.
Kelsey, look this way. Kelsey Lane. Kelsey.
Get in front of me.
Kelsey. She's looking at whatever way I'm not.
Kels, over here. Kels.
She looked. Is that good?
See how she licked your thumb?
Y'all done, Greg? I'm all right.
Oh, is that yummy?
Uh-oh, what happened?
Oh.
Oh, Mommy missed that one. Look at her.
We got it. Oh boy. Kelsey, look here. Kels, look here. Oh, you're gonna be a sick little girl. Oh, Lee, you're missing it.
What did she do?
Pick the whole thing up.
All frosting.
Oh no, don't let her eat all of it. Oh no. You think?
There's a lot in her left hand right there. Oh, big girl.
Hold on, I'll get it.
Big girl.
I'm gonna like sugar shock.
Is that yummy? Oh, you better get over here quick then.
Did you wipe already?
No.
You didn't wipe.
Hey, Dad.
No, we gotta sing happy birthday to her, okay?
Okay.
She didn't eat yours. She's got her own. You ready? You want to sing happy birthday with us? Okay, let's do it again. Say, okay, you ready? Happy birthday to you. Go stand right next to her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelsey. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Say I love you, Kelsey.
Love you, Sadie.
Happy first birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yay! So now we'll say, where's my cupcake?
Where's my cupcake? Hey,
Where's the camera?
I got this.
Huh? Did you wipe it?
I'm gonna turn this up now.
After your cupcake. Kels, is that good?
Kelsey.
Happy birthday, Sadie. Happy
Let
birthday,
me get a new
Sadie.
camera for crying out loud. Hi. 7 hours later. Kelsey.
Kels.
Kelsey. she looked. Look, she's going to the sugar shop.
Get it, pick it up. Pick it up. Pick the whole thing up.
Okay, I can't let her eat anymore. I can't do it.
Frosting's gone now, right? It's just the cake, isn't it?
Yeah, but still. That makes her so sick. Okay, cheers. That's enough. That's enough. Nummy, nummy.
Yay!
Where's my cookie?
Kels. Hi.
Where's that
Hi. You got a nice little frosting goatee. Oh, little girl.
Okay, you smell them, but just wait a minute.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, she's here.
Look here, Kels. Look here.
That's a cute one.
Yeah.
Okay, can we clean her up now?
Okay. She's still going to town. She found some more. You are a lot more adventurous than Brady was.
All right.